This is the X-TREK3. It's a really nice adventurer's smartwatch. You've got a lot of different settings you can call upon here. You've got the last workout that you did listed in here with some of the basic information. Beyond that, you've got the step count for the day with calories burned, distance traveled. Here, you've got a continuous heart rate chart, and you can activate instantly going into taking a heart rate reading continuously. This screen will stay on. Really nice. You've got barometric pressure. Wow, sure enough, in your area, it gives you the pressure, and from that, will let you know what your altitude is above sea level. Add a built-in compass to the watch, and you've got all the features you need for being outdoors. Different watch faces available. Over here, you have a limited selection of activities, indoor, outdoor running, riding, climbing, and basically a marathon, plus records of the things that you've already done in the past. It does have built-in GPS, and it's really fast. It connects up, and it does a good job of tracking your information. You also have, there you go. You got to go the same direction on this one. It's kind of weird. This way, all kinds of apps. A relaxation app, there's your sporting activities we just saw. It does do Bluetooth calling, so you have your call logs and your contacts in here, a dialer, and notifications that you get sent from your phone. You got the remote camera and music player capability as well, find your phone and alarms. Other features including the pedometer, a change of background themes, it's basic black right now, settings, and you can activate the Google or Siri advisor to give you information as well, right with the built-in speaker on the device. That's it. We looked at everything. Check it out. It's called the X-TREK3.